The globe is overwhelmed by trash. The best solution is to recycle. In this video, I will show two of my recycled airplane toys. The first one is a handheld helicopter. An old RC helicopter is secured on a plastic stick. The helicopter is connected to a 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery and an improvised push button. The push button should withstand the harsh playing conditions of a kid. And my son really loves his helicopter.
بابا قول يا ملوحة.
مروحة.
The second toy is a fixed-wing airplane that doesn't fly. The electronics part is taken from an old RC car. The fuselage and the wings are made of foam using a blade and sandpapers. The tail is heavily damaged as a result of innocent playing. The propeller is not well suited for the airplane, and its moment of inertia is bigger than the air it produces.